Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you found this video, you're probably thinking of becoming a car sales associate, car salesman, car saleswoman, or you're trying to get hired at a dealership. Well, my name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked. I'm going to tell you exactly how to get your car sales career started if you have no experience. Now, what sparked this video is we posted a few videos about how to get your OnVic here in Ontario, how to nail a car sales interview, and a lot of you said, Chris, I'm trying to get a job, but everybody turns me down because I don't have any experience in car sales. And I was once like you guys with no car sales experience trying to get a job at a dealership, and it worked for me, so I want to share with you what I would do to get hired. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram. I'm going to put it in the description below. It's at CVanWeekend. Comment if you guys have questions. Now, if I had no experience at a dealership, it can be tough. A lot of car dealerships are hesitant to hire people without experience. The funny thing about this industry is dealerships often are hesitant to train people, or they don't want to train fresh hires. I don't see it like that. I would like to hire someone fresh so I could train them how I want them to be successful. But other dealerships don't see that, and you guys have been commenting. So what I would recommend you do, first things first, is you want to get certified. Whatever region you are in, like I said, here we're in Ontario and it's called OnVic, Ontario Motor Vehicle Industry Council. If you are in a different region and you need some sort of certification, education, whatever it is to become a car sales associate, you want to get that. Here it's a quick course. You can do it probably within a week or so to get certified. It's all done online, but whatever your certification requirements are to be a car sales associate, you want to go out and get that on your own. That way when you're applying, it's just one less step that the dealership is going to have to go before you start selling cars. They're not going to have to wait for you to get certified or walk you through the certification process if you already have it. So it's a positive mind when they're requesting an interview out of you or they're considering interviewing you. The other benefit of being certified is you'll just be a step ahead other potential candidates. If you are certified and they are reviewing a list of 10 candidates and you're the only one that has the certifications or has already met the certifications required, they're most likely going to select you for an interview versus other candidates. So if you haven't done that, definitely check that out and get certified. I would apply to dealerships. A lot of you guys say, hey, I applied online, I didn't get any calls. I think it's because I had no experience. You want to apply to dealerships online and in person. Like I mentioned this in our interview video, super important. This industry is all about being personable and dealing with people, so it makes sense for you to go and apply to a car dealership in person. That's exactly what I would do. Find the dealerships in your area that are hiring online, apply online, walk into that dealership in business attire, business casual attire, and say, hey, I just applied online and I want to hand you my resume and cover letter, or I want to introduce myself personally, and so you know who you are reviewing for a job. And if you want to discuss any of my credentials or have any hesitation about hiring me, please let me know. That's a great way to just have a face behind your resume. You know, you can introduce yourself to a few people and kind of get a feel for the dealership. Now, if you got an interview and you are struggling with the interview, make sure you guys check out our How to Nail the Car Sales Interview video. I'm gonna put the card up here. If you guys did have interviews and they're still denying you because of your experience, sometimes it's beneficial to ask. I know a lot of people who have been successful this way, where they've gotten a job at a dealership under a different role, and they've kind of worked their way into a sales position or the position that they actually want. Dealerships have all sorts of employees. They have service advisors, they have receptionists, they have lot attendants, they have internet marketers, they have people that make phone calls, they have people in accounting. There's all different roles that you can start with at a dealership to get your foot in the door, have them get familiar with you, and then maybe you can say, hey, in 6 months, would I be able to be interviewed for a car sales position? Could I be considered if I exceed your expectations? And by just being in the dealership, it's gonna give you the idea if this is the right industry for you, because you'll be familiar with how dealerships operate and things like that. Now, those are my 3 tips for getting hired at a car dealership if you have no car dealership experience. It's not easy, guys, but you guys can pull it off. And the most important tip that I would have to say is dress to impress. Don't walk in there in your t-shirt. I said wear business casual clothes. And if you guys are looking to get some business casual clothes, I'm going to talk to you guys about today's video sponsor, and it's manlytshirt.com. I got this jacket from there and it's super comfortable. I've got a lot of compliments on it already. Great for fall. They're hosting Black Friday sales. They have all sorts of sales going on. Check it out if you guys want to get yourself some clothes that you can wear around the dealership or going to interviews when you're trying to get hired. Last thing I want to mention, if you do get hired at a dealership, let me know. Put in the comments below if this helped. Check out our Cars Unlocked Academy sales training program. We have a full online course for people who are looking to accelerate their career. I want you guys to learn from some of the mistakes that I made and accelerate your career a lot faster using our Cars Unlocked Academy online training course. The link is in the description below. So check out our videos, subscribe if you guys are new. Let me know if this helped, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.